Hey guys, in this video we want to graph a linear function that is not in slope-intercept form. Remember we had seen slope-intercept form that said y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. This is not y equals mx plus b form. This one is sometimes called the standard form. Whatever the name is, this form doesn't show you the slope. It doesn't show you the y-intercept. If you are a big fan of the slope-intercept form, there are ways to rewrite this by making y the subject to have it in slope-intercept form. But if you do not have that time to go through writing it in slope-intercept form, you can graph this by using intercept. So when an equation occurs in this form, the standard form, you want to use intercept. This is how to graph it using intercept. We are familiar with y-intercept. We are also going to see what x-intercept is. So the intercept simply means 2 points. 2 points on the table. X coordinate, y coordinate. Intercept means when the x coordinate is 0, what will the y coordinate be? And when the y coordinate is 0, what will be the x coordinate? So let's take a look. We will take this example to find our intercepts and graph this equation. So, considering the equation 2x plus 3y equals 6, all right? So, imagine that x is 0 in this equation. If x is 0, then this is what happens. X is 0 means 2 times 0 becomes 0. X is 0 means the x term disappears. This is what we have. 3y equals 6. Now, 3 times a certain number equals 6. Now we know y will be 2 when x is 0. Alright? So, same thing. So, when x is 0, y will be 2. Okay? So, when x is 0, y will be 2 because we can divide here by 3 and divide here by 3 and we get y equals 2. Okay, now how about when y equals 0? When y equals 0, so if y is 0, then we only have 2x equals 6. And that gives us x equals 3. So, when y is 0, x is 3. These are the only 2 points that we need. Those points are called the intercept. We will use those intercepts to get the line drawn or to sketch or graph this equation. So we come now to our coordinate plane. We are going to consider that 1 square represents 1 unit. Because we don't have the numbers here, we will count the squares. So now we're looking at plotting the point 0, 2. 0, 2 means the x coordinate is 0. We start on the x-axis, 0. And then 2 for y means we go up 2 times. So this is one of the points that is going to be on that line. The second point that is going to be on that line is a point where x is 3 and y is 0. So remember the intercepts are found on the axis. So you will not be in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. No, you will be on the axis when you are doing intercepts. So 3, 0, x is 3, we go 1, 2, 3 to the right, and then y is 0, so we stay right there. And that is the point. 2 points are enough for us to get the line. Remember the strategy when drawing the line. Use a ruler, draw the line to cover your entire graph space so that the line will trace the rest of the points that you did not even plot. So, let's go. Ruler, connecting the 2 points, and we get a line. We get a ruler, we line it up with 2 points, and then remember, don't draw the line to stop on the points. Draw the line to cover the entire graph space so that the line goes ahead to cover even points that you did not plot. And so, this is the line for the equation 2x plus 3y equals 6. That is the graph of that equation.